Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this question. The average of x1, x2 and x3 is given as 14 and the twice the sum of x2 and x3 is 30. So we have to find the value of x1. So first thing, let us start with the given thing. So what is given here? x1 plus x2 plus x3. Here this is 14 means here what we can do here? This we can write here 14 multiply by average means you have to multiply this by 3. So this total is 42. So now what we will see, the other one what is given in the second statement is that twice the sum of x2 and x3 is 30. So what will you write here? Twice into x2 plus x3 is 30. So now what will you do here? You can get your x2 plus x3 is 30 and this is multiplication, so this will go on the other side, so this is going to get divided. So x2 plus x3 is, here will be 15. So now what we want here, what is the value of x1. So now what will you do here? We'll start with this one, so that will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 is what we got here as 42. So from that one we have x1 we don't know, but now we got here as x2 plus x3, that is 15. So we'll plug that in here. So this is 42. So now let us see what is x1, that is 42. This goes to the other side of 15, that is going to be minus 15. So x1 is here 42 minus here 15. So what is that going to be? So 42 minus here 15. So this will be 27. So we can write here this as 27. So this is what they have asked. What is the value of x1? So this is the final answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.